Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to effectively remove fake Google Translate extension from the Google Chrome browser. The point is that this fake Google Translate extension may be also the result of some other more serious malware or virus or adware to be currently inside of your computer. This fake Google Translate extension, by the way, is often installed without the user's knowledge and permission. And by the way, if you access Google Chrome extensions by going to the menu, More Tools, and then Extensions, you will notice the warning from Chrome, from the real Chrome browser, mentioning that this extension called fake Google Translate is not listed in the Chrome Web Store and may have been added without your knowledge. Now, this particular extension may be spread through illegal software download websites, through some hacked websites, or through some other illegal channels. Very often this fake extension may operate as adware, and if it is active, it may display its multiple advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. Also, some of these extensions may hijack some crucial browser settings and perform other illegal actions in your browser. Therefore, the only correct conclusion is to remove this extension. So, you may hurry up and click on this remove button to remove this particular extension. I'll also tell you another great way to clean your computer. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, download the software, install the program, and this is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. So after the program updates its anti-malware database, it will begin scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. The scanning duration, of course, may take some time. Combo Cleaner works very well when it comes to identifying threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, intrusive pop-up windows, and other types of malware which is currently circulating in the internet. Please pay attention, for instance, to the feature called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or even several folders that will be protected against ransomware attacks. But Combo Cleaner is also capable of detecting and deleting all other types of threats. At the end of the scanning, it will give you the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations on the system. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always protected in the future.